Hey guys, it is the product review I've been telling you about, and it is right here. This burner is from RangeKleen. It's one that Lisa Sutton uses, and I'm telling you, this thing is absolutely wonderful. Our cat is being a pain in the butt. All you do to put it in, you just put that down. This comes with it. Right there. Alright. There we go. Now the difference between them is, you see how low this is setting compared to that. This is setting a little bit higher because of these here little things. It's from RangeKleen. This thing is fantastic. If you do log canning, then you know that the heat that gets trapped under here is what wears your cook range out. This allows the heat to escape. I am super excited. These two are a pain in the butt. And my light's flashing. I will see you later.